Hello everybody, Stuart from Riku.ai here. Today I've got my artistic-y shirt on, and that means one thing: we have updates to our image AI models which you can play with hopefully by the time this video is released. What we've added to Riku is we've added the ability to do image-to-image generation whilst providing a prompt also, and we've added the ability to draw on a canvas and turn that drawing into an AI image. So these are incredible sort of advancements in AI technology, and they are really useful for when you need a variation on either something you created yourself or an image that you have and you would like to change in a certain way. We'll be showing demonstrations of how to do that, and we've also added a few models that we've built in-house at Riku, where we hope that the community will also be building models in the future that we can offer through Riku for anyone with a Riku account to try. So we've added today Bikini Diffusion, we've added Hunky Fireman Diffusion, and we've added Underwear Diffusion. So you can check these out and try them out in Riku today, and we'll do a little demonstration of how they look in a minute. So let's get into it and let's see how all of these models play and how the dashboard has changed. So we come into Riku. Once you've signed in to your Riku.ai account, you will be on the dashboard. You'll see under the create menu on the left side of the page, we have images. You click images and you will come to a page like this where you can choose your technology. We have Stable Diffusion Image to Image, Stable Diffusion Free Draw, Bikini Diffusion, Underwear Diffusion, and Hunky Fireman Diffusion. So to check out the image to image model, what I've done is I've taken a image of a husky dog from a stock website and I have uploaded it here. And I've said that I want a young husky puppy posing in the grass. So we're going to try and reverse the aging of this husky puppy to make it look even younger. Here are some of the outputs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to generate this again. So we can do generate image, and I will just show you what this looked like from the stock image website so you can see the actual image blown up a bit better. This is the one that we are uploading and we are asking for variations of with the image to image technology. So if we come back to Riku, we can see this one looks a little bit younger and this one also looks younger than the original. So this is pretty incredible technology. You can use it for getting variations on a number of things. You could put in, images of dresses, images of different products, and ask for a variation and see how they look. You could put like a sneaker in, a shoe, and you could see, show me this shoe in X design or whatever, and it should be able to perform well with that. So this is the image to image, which is now live within Riku. Let's have a look at the free draw. And the free draw lets you draw on a canvas like this. So you'll see I've added a blue background here, and I have added, we have the ability to change the paint color, we can change the brush size, and we can change this background if we want to. So what I'll do is I'll just add some more snow, because why not? We can put the brush size down and we just put some more dots about. This is a very snowy day. Snowman. So what we have to do with the image to image, once we've finished our drawing, let's just try and touch up that little blue dot in his face. Keeps escaping me. So what we could do is we have to save this illustration. So we click the button here. We'll get a notice at the top saying the image has been saved successfully, and then we can work on the prompt. So we could say illustration of a snowman chilling in a blizzard, and we can then choose our sampler if we want. and we can choose how many outputs we want, and we can hit generate. So by doing this, it's going to send that drawing that we've just created and all of the settings over to the AI, and the AI is going to get to work in creating something for us. And you'll see this is really awesome. The stick hands look better than the one I have. Maybe these buttons on the bottom are not great, but it's added this tremendous smile, which is awesome. And it's tidied up the hat and made it sharper, and the carrot nose looks great. This one looks awesome as well. The sticks actually look like sticks. You have the buttons, it's tidied up the face, and you'll see that instead of all of these dots of the snow being the same size, it's made them look better. So this is just a way for you to get variations on your drawing, be creative, put something on a page, and then see what the AI can do with it. There are quite a lot of different use cases for this technology, where you can create like landscapes, you can create like, you know, space and planets and all of this, and you can get the AI to really generate some awesome stuff. So we can't wait to sort of have people play and enjoy and create some awesome things with this technology. So those are two of the new stable diffusion models that we have added for you. So we've got the Image2Image and we have the drawing. Just a quick note that we've added the ability for you to change your sampler when you are using this. So KLMS is the standard stable diffusion sampler, but there are a bunch of other options. You can change these and just see how it affects the different image outputs. One of the things that we're very passionate about with Riku, with both text and image AI, is giving you all of the raw tools, all of the raw settings to really go in and use this technology and play with it as it is. You know, we're not a fan of just generating square images and square images and square images and square images and square images, and I'm a broken tape because everyone seems to only allow you to create square images, which is crazy. So we've always had the image style where you can put square, portrait, tool, landscape from the start. And we have something new today, and we're going to be sort of sharing with the community how you can create something like this for yourself. And this is if we go into the magic of Bikini Diffusion. So Bikini Diffusion, we can describe your bikini photo shoot actress. And we have a placeholder of what we can write. So we can put Brazilian supermodel with blonde hair. So we can put that in. Brazilian supermodel with blonde hair. And we can change the sampler if we want to do so. And we can hit generate. And this is something that we've created ourselves. So we found a way to really standardize the images and get them all in the same sort of style and the same sort of scope, regardless of what you put in your description of the actress. So you'll see here, we have this awesome Brazilian model. There she is. Great. Perfect. And we have a second one, which is also very, very good, very detailed, beautiful. So that is Bikini Diffusion, and it's one of the first sort of adventures, I'd say, that we're having in this field. For us, all of this technology is about making it as accessible as possible to everyone, and also giving people the power and the ability to create interesting image models for their own business, for their own use case, and basically make your lives easier. That's what all of this technology is about. And we are excited for the future to let our community members create models like this, and we can add them to our library, and then anyone else can generate with them. I think that's going to be super cool, and it's going to be sort of an extension of what we've been doing with text-based AI, where we have the community showcase where anyone can share their prompts if they want to do so, and people can go in, use those prompts in production, or they can go in and edit those prompts and see how they were created and make their own versions which are useful for their own business. So let's have a look at another example of this. And we'll go into Hunky Fireman Diffusion. So Hunky Fireman Diffusion, we can put in, we have the placeholder here which is saying describe the look of your hunky fireman, and we can put English fitness instructor with an incredible physique, and we can hit generate, and again this is going to send these details to the AI based on the fine-tuning or the way that we set it up to create these awesome images. So we have this one has generated. We have a beautiful fireman with lots of muscle, lots of veins popping. He's got the six-pack, he's got the abs, he's got the pecs. Wow. This guy's even more ripped. I don't even know how many abs he has, but I wouldn't want to meet him down a dark alley. So this is super fun, super interesting to play with. And then the last one we have is underwear diffusion, which was similar to our bikini diffusion model, where we are getting a female in her underwear returned to us when we run this model. So let's do that now. We have describe your ideal actress. We can put Thai model with red hair and a big smile. Big smile. And we can choose how many outputs we want. Again, we'll just do 2 for the sake of doing this. And it is going to add this for us, and you'll notice that each of these bikini, underwear and firemen, they're going to return the images in the same style each time. So the backgrounds are going to be the same. It's a really good way just to create a series of images and useful assets for your business and for your needs. So we have this smiley Thai model with red hair returned to us. That's pretty awesome. And we have a second one. So those are the main updates that I have today for the Image AI. We're continuing to gather the feedback from our users as we've just launched our version 2 dashboard, and we're making a lot of changes at the moment for the text-based AI as well. For Riku in general, we want it to be a place for AI creation, experimentation, for learning and to getting to grips with these raw models and making it as easy as possible for you to implement them in your business and in your life. The Image AI can be used right away. We have a very generous pricing offer at the moment for this. The pricing will probably get more expensive in the future. So if you want to experiment and if you want to play with this Image AI, then sign up for Riku.ai today. We'd love to have you on board, and we're working on some super fun things. We've got a mobile UX coming super soon, so you'll be able to generate from your favorite text-based prompts and image prompts all on mobile, and that's going to be an incredible experience as well. So we're just super excited, super pumped working in this space. The developments and the technology is advancing at such a rapid rate, and we take our role very seriously in keeping up with all of the latest trends and making sure that we can implement them in Riku as fast as possible. Thank you for watching. If you've liked the video, feel free to leave a like or subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. What series of models would you like to see next? We'll be obviously making it easy for users to add their own series in the future, so that is going to be super fun also. Thank you.